Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to set up automated responses on Facebook Messenger. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you have to have Meta Business Suite app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and on your screen you can see their notification and home option at the top, while at the bottom there's home, content, new post, inbox and more. You have to tap on more, then you can see at the bottom there's settings option, then halfway through the screen you can find automations. Select automations. Under automations you can see options like instant reply, away messages, frequently asked questions, contact information, location and hours. You have to tap on instant reply and turn on that messenger platform. Once you do that, just below that you can see you can customize a message to say hello or give them more information about you. Then all you have to do is go to top right corner and tap on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you set up automated responses on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.